Why does your scanner show the P2031 engine code? What does it mean?
P2031 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit bank. 1 Sensor 2.
The P2031 engine code for indicate your engine control module, ECM or ECU, relies on multiple EGT sensors to monitor the temperature of exhaust gases. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed EGT sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, soot or carbon buildup, exhaust leaks, faulty ECM or software. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, GMC, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.